Hey, it's Gonanchu here. In this video, I'm gonna talk about is learning music mixing really expensive? In my previous videos on day 4 to day 6, I had taught that those mixing masters courses totally blew my mind and changed my career. And before those courses, I have self-taught for 5 years without any plan, blueprint, the whole picture of the bird eye. I even don't know where to start and how to get there and what should I do, just like the blind day worker. And at first I don't believe that. Have a mentor to learn from and practice hardly for 3 months can easily get more skills, techniques, knowledge than what I learned from the videos on YouTube and the research on Google for 5 years. Why? I think people, including the older version of me, are afraid of to change. What if it doesn't work on me? What if it's a scam? What if it's too expensive? What if this? What if that? What if? So at that time, I had this belief. I also have no client. No one likes my mixing. No one cares my mixing. Even no one wants to listen to my mixing. That's how I came from. So I just don't want you to be like this as me. But however, the fact people start to like my mixing just because my practice mixing that I post online, and there are people who start to hire me, book me in advance for the next 3 songs EP or album, even if the band is just releasing their EP. So it never happened like this before I invest on learning the education of online mixing courses. So that's why I do believe that it works. It really works. It really works. So, and more than this, I think the most important thing is it will save your time. It will save your life, that you can do more if you like. So that's all today I have for you. And if you would like to learn more about the musical production, mixing techniques, tips and tricks, or if you think this video is gonna help you, click like button, share this video, comment below, show me your thoughts, subscribe to our channel, and go to the www.strongtones.com, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.